Bringing home your first doodle? Congratulations! This is one of life's sweetest journeys. But puppies thrive when your home is ready and your heart is grounded. Let's get you set up for success. Puppy-proof your space. Just like a toddler, a doodle's curiosity knows no bounds. Secure loose wires, lock away toxic plants, and clear small objects from reach so your pup can explore safely. Designate key zones. Set up a cozy crate for sleeping, a safe play area with chew toys, and a feeding station with sturdy bowls and puppy food. Consistency across zones builds comfort and confidence. Gather essentials. Stock up. Leash, collar, ID tag, gentle grooming tools, training pads, and enzymatic cleaners. These basics help you establish routines and respond to accidents calmly. Start training and bonding early. Crate time, potty routines, short play sessions, and lots of praise help your puppy adapt fast. Keep interactions positive and consistent. Doodle puppyhood is a whirlwind of energy, cuddles, and learning. With the right prep, safety, structure, and supplies, you're not just welcoming a puppy. You're nurturing a lifelong companion. Let the adventures begin.